Hello, and welcome to the College of Micronesia FSM Residence Halls. COM-FSM has 2 residence halls at the national campus and can accommodate 190 students. 4 students share each residence room and are furnished with beds and individual student lockers. All residence halls feature fire alarms and smoke detectors. All halls are smoke-free and amenities here include high-speed internet access, furnished accommodations, TV lounge, study space, regular housekeeping, laundry room, maintenance and emergency staff. Special activities and events for residents. Resident assistant staff and a computer lab. If you have questions or need to contact the residence halls, dial 3202480 extension 219 for the male residence hall or dial 3202445. To contact the female residence hall, dial 3202480 extension 199 or dial 3204688. To contact the residence hall coordinator, Malu Gorospi, dial 3202480 extension 203 or dial 3202445. Thank you, and please visit our webpage for additional information.